Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to make a transparent header in Shopify tag theme. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you have designed your Shopify store with one of the most new popular Shopify free themes, that is thread themes, then you can continue this video. So first of all, I want to show you the result, then ready code snippet, then the step by step guideline. So let's get started. So you can see that I have already made the transparent header in Shopify store under development, and this store designed with that theme, and I have a full video course how to make a professional store with that theme. You can check out the video description, or you can check out the link under the video description, then you can find the full ready course link. Okay, so you see that I have made the transparent header, and if I scroll down, the header color has been changed and it's sticky on the top. Okay, if I scroll top, it's worked nicely. Also, there have a critical issue that in the others video in others YouTube channel don't explain very clearly. For example, if you just use the copy paste code without understanding the behind working process, then you will face the same issue. For example, if you go to the other space, the transparent header be active, but that is wrong way. We want to keep transparent header active only the home page, not any other pages. For example, if I go to about or contact page, you see the regular header is available. If I go to the become a wholesaler partner, same, also about us. So that's mean our code is not complete or making any issue with other pages header. In the same way, if I go to the home page, it's working. Okay, so I hope you understand the content. Now I want to go to the very important part, that is code snippet. Here is the free ready code snippet that you can easily use on your Shopify online store. I have published this article in my website e-commerce thesis, so you will find this link in the video description. So don't worry about any ready code snippet. Also, I never tried to keep you long time on my YouTube channel without any reason, just trailing a lot of unnecessary story to make the video long so that I can get more watch time. This is not my intention. I just want to share the code snippet process and result directly to my audience. For example, if you check other YouTube video, you will find that when I make any video that solve any issue within 3 minutes or 1 minute, they make the video length 10 minutes. That is boring. So you should focus on that, and that's why you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you must have to like if you get the benefit from my YouTube channel. Okay, so let's dive into the main topics. So first, as we have already checked the result and you know about the ready code snippet, that's mean you don't have to use any paid app, or you don't have to write any single code. Now we're going to the backend, how it's actually works. So to check it, first you have to go to the admin panel. Here is the admin panel of Shopify online store, and click online store, and you see I have worked in the updated thread theme, that's main latest theme. So click on the customize. In the customize section, you don't have to do anything. I just show you that there have another option, that is add mega menu with images in your thread theme. I have already published another full guideline how to add mega menu with images in the thread theme, and here all the options. So don't forget to check out the link in the video description, so to learn how to add mega menu with images. So right now you don't have to do anything in here, just go back and click on this 3 dot icon, edit code, and directly check out the video description and find out the link, code snippet link or code guideline link, and then simply visit this page or article. I have already published an article in my website e-commerce thesis, how to make a transparent header in Shopify thread theme, and here is all the details, especially the key benefit you must have to know. Key benefit and featured: eye-catching first impression, smooth school translation, professional aesthetic, easy navigation, adaptive design, mobile friendly, change scroll color. That's mean when we scroll the color has been changes. Okay, and auto scroll trigger point, mobile specific style. Okay, so then here the ready code and step-by-step guideline. First of all, you have to add css in the theme.css file or base.css file. So where you will find the file, just go back and in the file edit section search base, then you will find a file named base.css or search theme.css, then you will find the file. When you get the file, then click on it, and here is the file. Scroll down and simply click on here and copy all the code and paste in here. When you click on here, that's mean all the code will be copied and you simply paste it on here. I have already pasted all the code snippet in here, so I don't have to repeat it. I hope you understand. Then we are going to step 2. We have to add some JavaScript before int body tag in the theme.liquid file. So first we have to find the theme.liquid file, and the theme.liquid file is under layout folder, you see, and simply control F from your keyboard and find body tag. Here is the int of body tag. Then you have to add this JS or JavaScript code. Simply copy the code from here, JavaScript code, just copy and paste it in here. Okay, very simple. Then you have customize option. When we have completed the 2 step, then it will work smoothly without any issue. You get the result instantly. But I have added more option. For example, change scroll color when scroll. So how you can do this? For example, right now this is the real color and we wanted to change it. So just copy this line of code, simply copy it and go back base.css file, type Ctrl F, Ctrl V, then you see here is the color. So if we add the color code, for example, we can change any color. So how you will get the color code? Just copy the color code and paste it on Google. You see here is all the ready color. So we are going to, for example, we are going to use this color, or okay, and copy this color code and simply check it very carefully, save. Then if we reload again with Ctrl F, okay, wow, you see the color has been changes. If we change it with another color, for example this one, copy, that's mean we have all the option. Okay, okay, and reload again. You see it's work. Also we have another option. We can change the text color on scroll. We can change when scroll effect activate. For example, after 100 pixel it will be activate. But if you want to look very carefully, if I, you see, that's mean we have crossed the 100 pixel. But if you want to change it, adjust it, then simply copy it and go back the theme.liquid file, and you see here is the code. Just Ctrl F, Ctrl V, and you can change from here from 100 to 300. or 500 to learn more deeply. Save. Okay, and reload again. Okay, you see, if we in the previous, if we scroll down 100 pixel, it will work. That's mean the general or normal header appear and transparent header disable. But right now, you see, yes, when you scroll down more than 500 pixel, then it's work. If we change it, for example, just make it 300 pixel, save, reload, and looks, yes, perfect. Very simple and easy. I hope you understand. Change everything based on your requirement, and all the code is available in here. So don't forget to check out the video description and implement everything following this guideline, and I hope you can do this by yourself. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. And if you really get the benefit from my YouTube channel, from my videos, then don't forget to click on the like button and write a comment on the below of this video. So thank you so much again for your time to watch the complete video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.